children. Today I am going to teach you new topic. Okay na children? Now I am showing some things for you. Tell me what is that things. Okay na children? See here. What is this one children? What is this one? Yeah, this is a ball. Next, here I am showing. What is this one? This is also a ball. This is a ball and this is a ball. See here. Here these two balls are in the same size. No. Yeah. Why? Because you are comparing. No. See this scale. This is a scale and this is a scale. These two are scales, but they are not the same size. These two objects are not same size. Here what you observe children? What you observe? You are comparing these two objects. No? No. Today the topic is comparisons. What is the topic ma? Comparisons. 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 What is the topic ma? Comparisons. COMPARISONS. Comparisons means the different objects we are using or which we say happen to see in your surroundings. It means that comparison means you have to compare the two objects. No children? Now here see. I draw the pictures. Here now. What is this? This is a ball and this is a ball. Here I draw the picture. Ball. And here also ball. Here this is a ball. See here. This is a ball and this is a ball. Here what you comparing these two objects? You are comparing, no? That is the comparison. This is a big. B-I-G. Big. This is a big. B-I-G. Big. And this is small. S-M-A-L-L. Small. What? S-M-A-L-L. Small. This is the big ball and this is the small ball. While here what do you observe? You are observing these two objects to comparing. No children? Here. What is this my children? Scale. This is a scale. And this is also a scale. This is also a scale. Here see, you are observing these two scales. You are comparing. This is long. Very good. L-O-N-G. Long. What is this one? This is a long scale. And this is short. S-H-O-R-T. Short. This is a long scale and this is a short scale. What here you all observe? You observe these two objects. Comparing. You are comparing these two objects. I'll show you one thing. What is this ma? What is this? This is a book. And here, what is this? This is also a book. See, to compare these books are in the same size. Same, no? Here, this book is thick. No? See, I will draw the book here. This is a book. And this is also a book. Here. These are the pages. This is thick book. See this? See how this book is thick. T-H-I-C-K. Thick. And this book is thin. T-H-I-N. I'll show you one more thin. See this pen. See this pen. How this pen? This pen is thick. See this pen. How this pen? This pen is thick. No, it is a small, little bit thin. No. So this is the thick pen and this is the thin pen. Like that. Thick means yeah. Now here one more example. I give this one. See thick. Why we are calling this book is thick? Because of this book has more pages. How many pages are there? Let's read them. Some books are 400 pages, 500 pages, like that. No, why? Because of there are more pages. So that book looks like thick. More. M-O-R-E. More. More. Why? Because this book has more pages. So this looks like a thick book. Here look at this one. This is a thick book now. No. This is a thin. Because of this book has less pages. Must you are seeing no 100 pages, 200 pages book no. How that book looks like thin. You are comparing T-A less pages. Less pages. Why this is less means this book has less pages. Only 100 pages. And this book has looks thicker. Why? Because this has more pages. This book has more pages. So we have this is a thick book. And this book has less pages. So this is a looks like thin. Again. Now see. If you the book you have to hold no, you have to hold that more thick book. How it will be? It is a heavy or a light weight? Heavy weight. No? H-E-A-V-Y. Heavy. Heavy means it is the weight of the thing. Heavy means what is that? It is the weight of a thing. See, this book we have to hold. It will be little bit weight. And this one, light weight. L-I-G-H-T. Light. L-I-G-H-T. Light. Wise. Now answering. This is a thick book. But why? Because this book has more pages. So this book looks like thick. And it is a heavy. Means the more pages book will be some little bit weight. No? So heavy. And this book has thin. And why this book has thin? Because this book has less pages. So it is a lightweight. See children, I'll give one more example for you. You have a school bag, no? In the school bag you keep more books there. Then you lift that bag. It will be very heavy. No, you can't lift that bag easily. Why? Because there are more books in the bag. So the bag is heavy. No, that is the weight of the bag, like that. And light means there is no books in the bag. Now you can easily lift that bag. So why? Because the bag is lightweight. That is heavy, light. Again I tell this one. This ball is big. This ball is small. You comparing these two objects like this long scale, short scale. You are comparing these two objects. And one more thing is tall, short. See the here is nothing but long. This is a tall tree. See, did you see the children? What is a tall tree? It is a tall tree. Coconut is a very tall. In your house because coconut tree is there na. This is a tall. T-A-L-L, tall. Some trees are very tall. See there, which is the tallest animal? Do you know, children, which is the tallest animal? Yeah, giraffe. Giraffe is the tallest. The neck is very tall, no? That is tall. And the some trees are short. S-H-O-R-T, short is nothing but long and short. Long and short or tall and short. We are saying like this or like this. No? Next one, thick and thin. Thick means the showing of that object. That book is very thick. Why? Because this book has more pages. This book has more pages. So that book looks like thick. And this book we have heavy. That has heavy. Why? There has more pages. No, that's why that book's weight is heavy. And this is a thin book. Thin book. Why? Because thin this book. Because see here. See this. See this book. How this book has more pages. This book has, see that how many pages? No, more pages. That's why this book looks like thick. And here I am showing this book. See this book. How many pages here? Only less pages. No, see there. This book, see that how lightweight. Why? Because this book has less pages. That's why this book is light. Here, see this book. Wow, this book is weight. Why? Because this book has more pages. That's why this book is heavy. Now you learn, you know, big, small, long, short, tall, short. Like that you already learn more or less. I'll give another topic. These are all already known, huh? Big, smaller, long, short. You are already learned in the previous classes. No? Now I am going to the new topic. That words are new for you. That is above and below. What is that? Above and below. A-B-O-V-E, above. Say again. A-B-O-V-E, above. B-E-L-O-W, below. Say again. B-E-L-O-W, below. What does this mean? These two concepts. What does this mean with these two concepts, above and below? Above is something which is placed on the top position. Above means what? Which is something which is placed on the top position. And below is the something which is placed on the lower position. No? Means bottom position. Say, I'll give one more example for you. No? We are all children. We are all have the faces. No? We all have the faces. What is there on our faces? We have the eyes. We have the nose, and we have the mouth. No, in our faces we have the eyes, nose, mouth. If I'll ask you, what is the position of your eyes? Now, children, what is the position? Where is the eyes place? The eyes place is above the nose. Above means pine unde anamata. Pain unde what means top of the now children, now see here. This is the face. No? Here see that. I'll ask you, where is the position of the eyes? Where is the place of the eyes? The place of the eyes are above the nose. See here? Above the nose. The eyes are in the top position. This is above. The eyes are in the above position, top position. And what is the place of the mouth position? See children, what is the place of the mouth position? Is it above or below? Yes, it is below. The mouth is below the nose. See that? The mouth is below the nose. So this is B-E-L-O-W, below. You see here? And you keep in the nose, we keep the nose in the middle position. We keep as the nose in the middle position. This is, the nose is in the middle. So this is above, this is below. In this above and below, the nose is the middle. Here children, what did you understand here? Means the nose is in which? In the top position. The nose, that is the above. Means the something which is placed in the upper side, it is called above. Means what? The something which is placed in the upper side, it is called above. And something which is kept in the lower side, it is called below. No? That is above and this is below. No? Means this is nothing but top and bottom. You are sensing this here. I'll draw the one apartment. Now I'll show you here one picture. See children, here above and below. See them, above and below. Here what is there? Here one apartment is there. No? In this apartment how many flats are there? 3 flats. So this is 1, 2 and 3. No? In the middle flat, Neelam lives in the middle flat. Neelam lives in the middle flat. Who lives in the above flat? Amit. Amit lives in the above flat of Neelam. Neelam kanna paina flat lo the Amit lives. This is the above. And who lives in the below flat? That is, who is that? Neelam. This is Meera in the middle flat. Meera lives. No, here see there in the middle flat Meera lives. The above flat Amit lives and the below flat who lives? Neelam lives. This is the above and below. And yes. Above and below. See here, I'll draw the one flat here. This is here now. This is the apartment. This is the apartment. In this apartment, how many floors are there, ma? See that? How many floors? 1. And this is 2. And this is 3. This is 4. And this is 5. Here in this apartment, how many floors are there? First, second, third, fourth, 5 floors are there. What is the above floor? That is the top of the floor. What? The 5th floor. It is in the top position. T-O-P, top. And which is the bottom flat? That is the flat 1. Very good. That is B-O-T-T-O-M, bottom. So, above and below is nothing but top and bottom. The upper part of this called as the top, that is above. And the lower part, that is the bottom flat, is called as the below flat. That is the above and below. Now we are going to another one. N-E-A-R, near and far. You know children, near and far. See here. See children, look at this picture. This is near and far. See here one road is there. In this road, what is there? Traffic signals are there. In the traffic signals, which one is stands nearby? The car stands near the traffic lights. Near means the next one. Near means the next one. And which is the things that stands in the long distance? See there from the traffic signals, which one is the long distance? The lorry is in the long distance. So that is as a far. Near means here. See where I am standing here. Where the teacher stands near the blackboard, the teacher is standing. Where you are the children? You are nearby me, na? No, you are very far from me. No, that is the near and far. Children, where is the stars? The stars are nearby us, na? No, the stars are very far away from us. That is near. Near means the next by. And the far means it takes the long distance. That is near and far. Next one, we are going to inside and outside. Inside and outside. This one know you easily see the picture. Inside and outside. Here what is the picture ma? Here one house is there. There the two children are standing. Where the two children are standing? One children is in the house, inside the house, and one children is outside the house. The boy is standing outside. Then one girl is inside the house. That is inside. Inside means you are in the houses. That is inside. And where you are going to outside, that is the outside. If you are going to shopping or there, then that is what is called outside. Now here see, this is the bag now. See in this bag I'll put the balls. Where is the balls? Where is the balls? The balls are in the outside, na? No, where is the ball? Inside this bag. Inside the balls are there. Now I'll take one ball here. So the ball is outside the bag. This is inside and this is outside. That is no. Now I'll take again I'll tell you above and below. Above and below means what? Which the things which are keep in the top position, that is the above, and the things which are placed in the bottom position, that is means below. That is above and below. See that the eyes are above the nose and the mouth is below the nose. That is the, see here no, this is the apartment. Here what is the top position of the flat? Fifth floor is in the top position and the first floor in the bottom position. It's nothing but above and below. Next one, near and far. Near and far. Near means it's a nearby, means next one, next by us. That is the near. And the far means we have take the long distance. That is called as the far. That is near and far. And see the inside and outside. Inside means we are in the inside. That is called as the inside. If you are going to out, you are going to any shopping or anyone, that is the inside. No, outside. Outside you are going to shopping. So that is called as the outside. Inside and outside. These are the topics. Now the next class we will continue for the another topic. Okay, children? Okay, bye.